Well, hello everybody. It is grade level meeting topic time for the month of March. We have a short agenda today, so this shouldn't take very long, but the information that is embedded in this agenda is very important for all of us to make sure that we're on the same page with. The first topic point that I would like to point out is that it is that time of year that all staff members in our district are asked to take the behavioral assessment. This assessment is called the SAS, or the Self-Assessment Survey. It is a multiple response survey to help teams identify the staff perception of the implementation status and improvement priorities for our school-wide classroom and non-classroom individual student systems of support. We ask that by the end of this March on the 31st that you take a moment to click on the link that is embedded here in this document to take that PBIS assessment. I have that assessment so that you can see it here. So when you click on the link, it shouldn't take you more than approximately 10 minutes. So please make sure that you find a 10-minute block of time between now and March 31st to complete this important survey that gives our PBIS team the feedback that is needed in order to continue to make positive improvements for our system here at Chippewa Falls Middle School. The second point that I want to bring to your attention is that upon return from spring break, we will be moving into our Wisconsin Forward Test Administration. This information has been pushed out since December as far as practice test and sample items, going through and setting up the testing schedules. I do want to let you know that on April 2nd, which is a Monday, we will have our proctor meeting in the Cardinal Cafe at 8 o'clock. That anybody that it will be administering or proctoring the Wisconsin Forward test should attend that meeting. At that time, you will learn the information that is necessary for you to proctor the exam and to sign off on confidentiality agreements and to ask any questions that you may have as we rapidly approach that test administration. If you click on the link that says Wisconsin Forward Administration Testing and Schedules, again, this information has been pushed out multiple times, but you can click into that document and see that we have a letter that's gone out to parents, how much testing time is required for each content that we test in. The testing schedules are located here, so if you have not yet printed a copy of those are available. And then all other pertinent information as it pertains to the testing is included in this document. So if you have not yet taken the opportunity to make yourself familiar with this document, please make sure that you do so. And again, if you are proctoring the test, make sure that you add this to your calendar that we will have that meeting in the Cardinal Cafe at 8 o'clock on Monday, April 2nd. We just came to an end of our second trimester, and as we have done in the past, it's a good idea for us to have teams set up times to do a locker clean out. If your team can designate that time and just contact our custodial crew so that they can have the trash receptacles and recycling bins available for us. It just helps then at the end of the year, instead of having a huge clean out, that we do these intermittent ones to help keep the lockers and locker bays neat and organized. The next topic is the National School Walkout. Certainly there has been some conversation with students around this as well as parents. So please know that I ask that you reference the staff email that came from Dr. Eliopoulos last week with regard to our expectations here at the middle school and across the district. I will also be sharing this narrative with our students during the announcements on Wednesday, so that students are clear about the expectations. Administration will be present and supervising. Please know that we have been directed that we will take care of supervision of students if we have students that do make the decision to do the 17-minute walkout. We just ask that you continue to teach and that you take accurate attendance records if you have students that are absent from your classes. And the final point is spring break. Certainly just a couple of days away. I certainly wish everybody a fantastic break. I know that it's coming at a time where it's much needed, and I hope that you're able to relax and enjoy and rejuvenate over the course of that spring break time. All right, folks, thanks for everything. Have a good day.